Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Bluetooth on both devices and turning on Bluetooth tethering on your phone so Windows can see a network source. Once done, open Settings Devices Bluetooth and other devices on your PC and click Add Bluetooth or other device. Make sure your phone is discoverable and close to the PC. Proximity prevents intermittent pairing failures. You're initiating a device-level connection that will later become a network interface, so keep both screens unlocked while the pairing codes appear. After you pick Bluetooth and select your phone from the device list, Windows and the phone exchange a pairing code. Confirm it on both devices to establish trust. Once paired, Windows may ask to allow the phone to be used for internet access. Approve that to create a PAN, Personal Area Network connection. If there's no prompt, open Control Panel Network and Sharing Center to view active connections. The phone should appear as a Bluetooth network connection. This converts the pairing into a usable network route. To finish, verify Windows is using the Bluetooth network for internet by checking Network and Sharing Center or adjusting adapter priority via adapter settings. This ensures traffic flows over the phone connection rather than another adapter. If you don't get internet, disable and re-enable Bluetooth on both devices and toggle phone tethering. This often resets services. Make sure mobile data is active on the phone and airplane mode is off. If problems persist, restart both devices to clear stale network states and retry pairing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.